Okay, here we have a absolutely gorgeous 3-slot payphone. The chrome is, well, see for yourself. It's absolutely beautiful. And the reflection, it's hard to actually capture the reflection on a camera properly. And there's the back with the cord. It works on a regular phone line, dials in, dials out, and the dial turns very nice. There's the top with the automatic electric code number. The top is in beautiful condition as well. Coin return, the automatic electric writing here is in near perfect condition. Now there are no keys. This will turn with anything, screwdriver, and you can open the top. This has no lock, but it is spring loaded, so it will come down as well. You can buy a lock on eBay and replace either lock. Plenty are available, but it's absolutely stunning. The handset is in excellent condition. Again, the side of the chrome here, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful phone. And there you go, an an automatic electric company 3-slot payphone.